Greetings and welcome to this new video. This video is an explanation and a usage guide for the new Passwords app, which is new in iOS 18. So this is a very useful app and it houses all your passwords, your codes, your security codes and your Wi-Fi passwords and your passkeys in one place. Also, if you wish, you can add a new username and password by hitting this plus button, simply typing it here with the label, username, password, and if you want to add a note and save it here so that you can remember. For example, I have a list of my Wi-Fi networks and their passwords. Likewise, if you have codes, security codes, passkeys, they will show up here. Now the Passwords app have the ability to autofill the passwords. You can simply enable it by going to settings, going to general, then scrolling to autofill and passwords, and from there you can simply turn on passwords. And as you can see, you can change how codes are set up. So the Passwords app is the default one. The good thing is that the Passwords app will be locked by default if you have a passcode enabled on your device. So let me show you that. I will turn on the passcode. Alright, now you can see when I open the Passwords app, it will ask me for the password. So your passwords, your keys, your passkeys are secure, including your Wi-Fi passwords. Lastly, one more thing, if you want to share your Wi-Fi password securely, you can simply open the Passwords app, hit Wi-Fi and simply select the Wi-Fi network, and then you can also show the network QR code so that any other device can simply scan it and seamlessly connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can also tap password to show your Wi-Fi password. You can also share it using this share sheet. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.